in the previous lessons, multiple lessons, we have learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube. But in today's lesson, we will cover the whole thing in one single video. I'll explain it everything to you from lesson 1 to lesson 7. Okay, so let's start. So first I'm going to tell you about how was the Rubik's Cube invented. The Rubik's Cube was invented by a man named Ivan Rubik, who invented this Rubik's Cube to help his children to solve maths problem. So the cube, like all cubes, it had got 6 faces with 8 corners, 12 edges. And under each face there are centerpieces. Centerpieces not move. But the other one, these corners, 8 corners, and these edges, 12 edges, can move like this. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you what was that. So this is the right one, as you all know the right. This is left. Then this is front. This is back. This is down. And this is up. Or I've already done up, I think. Yeah, I have already done up. Okay, so let's start. Ri is like towards me. R is like this, but Li and L is like L is like towards me and Li is towards you. UI is like this, U is like this, but opposite for down. Down is like this U, D, and this is DI. So now this is front, this is F, this is Fi. Then this is B and this is BI. Okay, so let's start. First I need to make a white cross and a white face should on the top. Let's start. So how to make a white face? So we'll search a edge piece with white and another color except yellow. Okay, so let us search. Okay, so here is one, green and white. So what I will do, one simple way is doing like this, but this should match with the green one. So I'll do the middle layer like this. And as you can see, one side of the white cross is solved. Now I'm going to do the same with the other crosses. I'm going to disturb this one like this. Now I'm going to do it like this. And you can see the second thing is also done. So this was the blue one. Now I'm going to do the orange. Hopefully it's already there, but it needs to be flipped. So the algorithm is RI, UI, FI, and U. And as you can see, it did it. Now for the last red. And hopefully it's already done and we got a white cross. Now I'll do the white face. White face, I need to search for a corner piece with white color but not with yellow. It can be any color. Like blue and red I got. So I'll do it below the red and blue in between and the white. I'll follow an algorithm called RI, DI, R, D. So let's start. I got this right. And I got it right. Now let us do the same with the other. Now I got this. Now I'm going to tell you like this. Now let us see this one. And now I got this one more piece left and we got the white face. And we got the white face. Now we'll start with the middle layer. So the middle layer is we need to find an edge piece with the color except yellow on the top layer. Okay, so let's start. So I got this one. So I'm going to match it with the orange face. Now I'll follow an algorithm. The algorithm name is UI, then L, then UI again, then FI, then U, and then again, and then F. Now I'll do the same with other. Now I got nothing. So all are fixed. So we need to follow the same algorithm. I'll follow the same algorithm. And now I got this. Now I'm going to do it between the red and green. And now it's last. Now we'll able to do it. And we have done it, the middle layer. Now we need to do the yellow cross. Let's do it. So I got a centerpiece. We need to do the algorithm. F I R I R sorry U I R I U and then F. Now I will do until I got a yellow cross. This algorithm. Now I'll able to get this. And I got a yellow cross. Now I need to follow an algorithm called W and then RI. So let me do it. I need to do it until I got the yellow face completed. And I got the yellow face. Now we will search with a corner. I got no corner, so I'll follow the algorithm, this big algorithm, as I told you. This one, you know? This one. The one like this. We did this. So I'll do that algorithm. And now you can see I just got this green face. Now I'll follow the same algorithm. Now I got it like this. Now we will solve it. And in the previous lesson, it just directly happened. So that's the reason, but it sometimes happen like this only. So this is the left. So I'll follow an algorithm. We need to do, I'm doing it very quick so you won't understand it actually. But see, now I'll do it again. Now I got all like this. Now I'll follow the that one, the bigger one. That one, remember? Okay, now we got this and now hopefully it should do it. No, I think it will. it back. I'll do the design for you. Like this, it is all done. Now how to bring it back? Do the same algorithm like this. Now the red face is back. Now do this. And it's all back. I hope you liked this video. This was the last lesson of Rubik's Cube. I hope you learn how to play a Rubik's Cube. I enjoy it, and until next time, bye.